Struggling to make your small business stand out? Dive in as we unlock the secrets to crafting a content marketing strategy that skyrockets your brand and brings customers knocking on your door. Ready to elevate your game? Let's jump right in. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a small business owner looking to elevate your small business and connect with your audience, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the world of content marketing strategies and how they can propel small businesses to new heights. So grab a notebook, let's get started. It's a plan focused on creating, publishing, and distributing content for a targeted audience online. The goal here is to attract new customers, nurture existing ones, and ultimately to boost sales and brand awareness for your business. For small businesses, a content marketing strategy is critical. It's a cost-effective way to compete with larger competitors, build a community around your business, and establish authority in your niche. By consistently delivering valuable content, you're not just selling products, but you're building a relationship with your customer base. Now let's explore the different types of content you can use. Blogs are essential for SEO and establishing authority. Videos are incredibly engaging and shareable, perfect for demonstrating products or sharing customer testimonials. Infographics make complex information digestible, while podcasts allow you to connect with your audience on a more personal level. Ebooks and white papers are great for in-depth exploration of a topic, and social media posts help you reach a broader audience and drive traffic. So choose the types that align with your audience's preferences and your business goals. So step one in creating a successful strategy is identifying your target audience. Who are they? What do they need? What problems do they face that your business can solve? Answering these questions will help you tailor your content to appeal to the right people. Use tools like Google Analytics, conduct surveys, and interact on social media to gather invaluable insights about your audience. Step two, set clear, achievable goals. Are you aiming for brand awareness, lead generation, customer engagement? Defining what success looks like for your business will guide your content creation and help measure your strategy's effectiveness. Number three, once you have your audience and your goals, it's time to create compelling content. So diversify. Use the different types of content we discussed earlier to connect with your audience. Address their pain points, answer their questions, provide solutions, and remember, quality over quantity. Every piece of content should add value and reflect your brand's voice and values. SEO, number four, is your best friend in content marketing. Optimize your content with relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and alt text. This will enhance your online visibility, drive organic traffic to your site, and increase the chances of converting leads into customers. Creating content is half the battle. Number five, distributing the content is the other half. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram or X. Use email newsletters and partnerships with other businesses. Tailor your distribution strategy to where your audience is most active. And don't forget to encourage sharing to increase your reach. Step six, analyze, analyze, analyze. Use analytics tools to track your content's performance. Are you hitting your goals? What type of content is receiving the most engagement? Adjust your strategy based on your findings, and don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas and formats. So to sum it up, a content marketing strategy is a powerful tool for small businesses. It's all about knowing your audience, setting clear goals, creating valuable content, optimizing it for SEO, distributing it effectively, and continually analyzing and adjusting your strategy. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips. Do you have any content marketing tips for small businesses? Share them in comments below. And remember, the content marketing journey is an exciting one, so embrace it and watch your business grow. Until next time, keep creating, and we'll catch you in the next video.